Hi there, this is iGEM SHSAD, and we're here to talk about how droughts affects crops. A drought is a long period of unusual dry weather where an area gets less rain than normal. It can last for weeks, months, or even years. It slowly dries up the soil, rivers, and underground water that crops depend on to survive. When drought came, the effects aren't always obvious at first. Plants close their stomata, which are tiny pores on their leaves, to prevent transpiration and store water. As while this conserves water, it also excludes carbon dioxide. Without carbon dioxide, photosynthesis stops working, and the plant stops producing sugars, stopping its growth and development. It starves the plants while it stores water. In the long run, the water they store will be used up, and the plants will eventually wither. In addition, before droughts, plants absorb essential nutrients from the soil in dissolved form. When the soil dries up due to the drought, the movement of these nutrients stop as well. Even if a field is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, a drought-stricken plant cannot access them, suffering severe nutrient deficiencies. Economic and global impacts emerged as drought came. Drought led to the reduction of global food production between about 5 to 20%. The reduction of supply of crops like wheat, corn, and soybean leads to food price rising. This inflation especially affects low-income populations who spend most of their money on food. Are there any methods that can effectively prevent this disaster? Better irrigation systems are one way of using currently, but there are several flaws in current methods are not enough to entirely solve the problem. We also need to develop crop varieties, engineering methods to overcome water stress, which include crops with deeper roots, modified stomatal behavior, and the ability to maintain yield under moderate drought conditions. Plant breeders and researchers are working on those drought-tolerant products currently. Drought is a natural disaster occurring globally, and if we don't prepare, the world's most vulnerable people will be the ones who go hungry first.